Okay, so now in this video we will make the AI character moves in the other direction as well. For that, open up the waypoint navigator script where we set the current waypoint to the next waypoint. Okay, right here. Now what we will do is create an integer by the name of direction. Then in the start method we will equal this direction to mathf dot round to integer. Then we will say random dot range, so the range will be from 0 to 1. Then let me cut this line and right here say that if the direction integer is equals to 0, then what we will do, the current waypoint will be equals to the next waypoint, but if the direction is equals to 1, then let me paste it again, and then right here instead of the next waypoint we will add previous waypoint right there. Okay, so what we did right here is we simply create an integer and then we set a range from this integer between 0 and 1, and then we say that if the value is 0, then the AI character direction will be in the next waypoint, but if the direction is 1, then the AI will move in the previous direction or previous waypoint direction. Okay, save the script, get back to Unity, then let's simply play the game, and you will notice now that some of the AI characters will walk in the previous direction. As you can see, this character is moving in the previous direction. Okay, this one is moving in the forward, this one is also moving in the previous. Okay, as you can see, some of them are moving in the next and previous directions. So with this done, let's end this video right here.